In a series circuit, components are connected end-to-end, creating a singular path for electric current. This arrangement ensures that the same current flows through each element, offering unique characteristics that set it apart. Assembling a series circuit involves strategically placing components on the breadboard and connecting them with jumper wires. Proper polarity, especially for components like LEDs, is crucial to ensure accurate functionality. In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to build a series circuit using 3D Autodesk Tickercad. Before we begin the tutorial, if you're interested in engineering simulations, coding tutorials, 3D designs and more, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Also, feel free to drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below. I'm always excited to hear from you. Now let's begin. Before you start this project, ensure you have installed the Autodesk Tickercad software on your desktop, laptop, or tablet, and that you have created an account. Note that the Autodesk Tickercad cannot be used on mobile phones, and always ensure you are connected to the internet before opening the Autodesk Tickercad software. Now let's begin the project. When you open the Autodesk Tickercad software, you should see this window shown on the screen. Scroll down, and click on Circuits. The Circuits window opens, showing any previous project you have done. Click on the plus Create button, and click on Circuit to open a new window. From the window opened, you can see the controls are the top menu bar, and the components library by your right. Click on the small breadboard, and drop at the center of the canvas, as shown on the screen. Click on the battery and drop it close to the breadboard. Click on the resistor, and drop it at the center of the breadboard, and ensure you connect one horizontal line to the opposite horizontal line as shown on the screen. Ensure that each terminal of the resistor is inside a hole on the breadboard, else your resistor is not connected. On the properties of the resistor shown at the top left corner, change the resistor value to 220 ohms as shown below. The next horizontal line from where the resistor second terminal is connected, connect the last breadboard hole to any breadboard hole of the negative terminal using a wire. To do this, holding the left mouse button, click one of the breadboard hole, drag the wire to any of the negative terminal points, stop holding the left mouse button and click on the specific breadboard hole to drop the wire. Click on the LED, and place it on the breadboard. Ensure one LED terminal is connected to the horizontal line with the resistor second terminal, and the other LED terminal is connected to the horizontal line of the wire. Now flip the LED by clicking the mirror component button above, to connect the positive LED terminal to the resistor and the negative LED terminal to the wire. Click on the 9V battery, rotate the battery by clicking the rotate button above. And flip the battery after rotation such that the negative terminal of the battery is towards the LED. Now connect the negative of the battery to a hole on the negative terminal where the wire is connected as shown on the screen, and connect the positive terminal of the battery to a hole on the positive vertical line on the other side of the breadboard. Connect the other resistor terminal to the positive terminal using a wire, as shown on the screen. Note that while working on the breadboard, the software shows you how the holes on the breadboard are connected. Click on the Start Simulation at the top left corner, the LED should come on. If not, you have connected the circuit wrongly. You should look at the connection properly to find the component that is connected wrongly.
Thanks for watching. Our next tutorial on this series will be on parallel circuit, so don't forget to like this video, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated and for more content like this. I'd love your feedback or any questions you have in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going.